Hello and welcome to the Athary Podcast. Podcast ibu miyeng tabiriba khwai punamapu ahanba maktada khoramjari. The Athary Podcast channel si create tawdingi mamangda aigi pandam amakak leijai. Pandam si karino haiba matamda khoi educate tawbiba, inspire tawbiba amasung khoi society da awareness purakpa haibase channel si gi pandamni. Adra ngasi gi episode si su yamna nungaiba maru oiba aduguma episode ma oigani kaigino haiba matamda khoi Manipur stroke haiba matamda mayamna sudum tabiramgani adagi memory problems, severe headache, neurological conditions haribo mayamsi karino kadaidagi lakpano karamna oikibano factors singsi karino oigdabno haibone singba mayamse koi munna taminare haraga bhab taminasi khangminasi. So today I'm very honored to have a special guest with us. Mahagase currently hojik ILDS ta as a consultant in neurology and internal medicine da thabak sudana laibani with international trainings and years of experience treating neurological disorder. Please welcome Dr. Tamphasana Wairokpam. Thank you so much, Dr. Tamphasana, for joining me. Yam nungaiba conversation ama oigdaini, and I think akoigi audience nasu tamja honingai oiba adugumba episode ma oigni khalleko. Yeah, thank you. Hanbu maktada akoigi main topic ta chathadi ngai dako Dr. Tamphasana gi life ki journey gi matangda tenlapna haibi yagadra.
Yani akoigi chinau se mari ne ba ke sampatai ne aduga na amuk second oiba second child
Imungda
very normal 90s childhood. I had nothing like extraordinary ko. Adumai na dum hore schooling na Manipur public school da tawre adagi agi MBBS na Tripura da tawre.
Okay.
Loga MD se internal medicine da Karnataka da gi tawre. Adu loga ise UK da agi neurology course.
Okay.
Agi United Kingdom gi Sheffield da tawre. Adudagi aise UK da su matam khara thabak tawrame. India da muk thoklaga Delhi gi Max da su tawrame. Adagi Manipur da su dum hospital dum tawre ko ma'am hadi private obviously private aduga RIMS da su matam khara aise SR tawrame hadi matam ma'am tawrame adi matung da aise amu UK da muk chatle aduga UK da igi stroke da ko aise amu work tawrame UK gi mogi NHS National Health Service da adagi aise husukna Manipur da budi aise lai Manipur gi hospital adum khara ani puri aise Heart Institute Sagobanda Labor Duga ILDS Hospital Kwakatel Labor Manipur aigi small setup clinic amasu
later
tawzari honari
okay
aduga kwadigi letters na aigi journey da haitaraga ko Switzerland gi University of Bern da stroke ta oina aina makha muk tamthari advanced master aina huji tawiduna working oibani ko magi said thankfully adugi scholarship fangdana aisi huji tawse sina amukame hybrid oiba haidi few months in a year di ada chalaga tawdaba aduga ataina stalai aduna aingonda yam balance musu oredana ko ai tawba ba sa sulai bia ba de na amu Switzerland da tawga mogi agi practice to mu learn tawba minor honari
okay yam fai doctor gi journey je yam na kena taw exciting way journey je amorom da su sale thabak su khata wi and then like to ju makha adum tamdari adigi makha Manipur du la na you have served here and there as well service to ko medical gi field da interest lawak paje kamaina kari gi maramna kamaina interest lawak khirino
medical gi field haise ai oringai de gi ai na hekta ai se doctor di oigni kaina ya kana khalak padi ai se oide ba ko ai di pokpa matam da ai condition ama ko ai di pyrolytic stenosis na condition ama tor ga poeba haibadi ngasagi khoi gi stomach siga intestine siga samna doini dana adugi stomach ka intestine gi samna bhamji da khara phun ba hai tare ko phun la mana polak pani na ai se aina 45 days subase series da ise operation operate taweba adi matam da major haitare ko operation ga tawa khoi ba hoina yamna id parent amagi oina di parent oiba mina di dum khangam gani na ko just magi newborn do maina operate tawba khotpa di changba siba
mani
bani na dumaina moina yam wana hotna rakimina moina aingonda budi dum doctor oining ba ko hadi dum doctor habagi potu di dum laiye ba ko aduma laire adugi influence khar laigadra but biology da budi sinu interested oiba ko marks dum biology da hena hadi human body gi functioning physiology sum basi budi aingonda dum inclination ama budi laiba ai genetics kum basu yam interested oye
I see.
aina khangibase ai engonda aina angang oingeda khanbase angang oibani na khodi yam innocent oidena ko ana aina pambase aina successful oiba independent oiba maina ko adu hujikti success means different things to different people matam du su yang kanna kai hani early 2000s oibani na koi yang kanna khoi gi sigi internet ki culture si su laitri dena ana awareness su kitang haide khoi option gumba si su khara limited oiba ana khoi matam da toise coaching chat pase medical gi coaching ama engineering gi coaching ama natraga MCS IS maina khara laidena ko different options yang kanna laite ba khang da haida awareness to aduna aina su dum human body functioning gumba pam and maina dum coaching adugi through the chakraga dum but I have discovered a new found like aina dum tawra kanda di ko I love my work I love the field that I'm working in ko aduna yamna maina get related but I think aina haining body it happened like slow process ne ba I dum khara Manipuri su English su khara samna haidi audience fazana cover tawna ba ko maiti lon fazana loksan bangam da community su reach tawna ba ko adum ngasi bawda ne ko I se kaisu habidi ai identity sa not majorly I don't think I'm defined by being a doctor rather I think I'm a doctor or like ai identity sa doctor Tamphasana adumaina I khanjadeba I think the person I am the type of person do aduduna it defines me more than being a doctor ko
doctor gi experience wari se dum ta matam da journey punsi gi journey se dum ta matam da thabak su India da ngata nate adi mapam mapalam khara da su dum tawrami Manipur su dum la Manipur su tawrami dum haibi khre ko experience me am da ge dum punsi na han boina dum thingna ki ba patient ma gi wari kaw ngam da ba wakan da dum lai ki ba tare adugumba experience thing na ra and then experience to gi matungina how do you view science
okay good question incident pudi mayam thingna gre ba ko I think science is a part of our life ko akoina science siga akoigi human nature siga emotion or whatever we are doing day to day siga akoina generally akoina two different things ki type ta khanadra ne
khandai
usually ko but science is life is interconnected aina training tropa center se Sheffield hai se United Kingdom gi magi Sheffield Institute of Translation and Neuroscience hai se hogi motor neuron disease ki premier institute ne ba
okay
ID Stephen Hawking na naval na do na maze amna debilitating condition dina ko maze na whole body se breakdown trok to ni dina
mane
adu magi usually from diagnosis to time of death is yam teleba 2 years high average is like 2 to 3 years
okay
and may I 10 may depending on the person ko ana koina u se I khala ko si matam like I ngonda yam humbling su oiba hybrid usually ALS se yam active over me to nagal leba yam athletic oiba yam active oiba but you will never see ALS in a couch potato adugo mana na do se males ana mana predominance leba ko adugo around 40 50s yam prime oiba mi yam productive oiba matam sa masina rakting
I see
suddenly one day they will have such a devastating condition ko nasalaga then we don't have much treatment also ko adugi disease to modified on a whole of course new things are coming aduga patients ai ga loinar matam da in a few months to years the ma se yung loinar ba patients sum deteriorate taraga sigi do ne ba so few things I have learned one is humility it's very humbling habidi you can be anyone
chume
nang yam masai am pha bai nang paisa yam pai bai and nang am resources like bai like in very developed countries where everything is at their disposal but things like this can happen ultimately akoi se loina ma kaino na trane we have like very limited time and like life is very fleeting aduna that haidi aduna yamna engonda humbling or by humility gumba sigumba se ko takpi dambi ko as a doctor ko patient ma se makhan yung pani na from different walks of life will meet people and will meet people on different stages in their life aduga mi amagidi yam good news obi ba o nang ga khona swaina chingna badu poto oiramdre natraga nang phagalak phagi ko aduga next patients in a maybe the worst day like maybe a cancer diagnosis maybe a terminal illness diagnosis natraga maybe I will tell a family that your near one is going to die adumaina aduna ngasagi akoina emotional baggage sa as a doctor oina carry to matamdana yamna carry to haidi I have to switch my emotional regulations ko because nang news apaba piba matamda nang kapaga piya ponte nang somna kanda bad news matamda nang no ga tawba ponte ana ko gi switch emotional regulations yamna haidi very drastic very dramatic aduna si se ko gi mentally ko mental health su yam mental toll ama oyebko big toll on our mental health aduna I have also learned to try to dissociate a bit but miyoibanina ko miyoibanina to some kari extent haibito ko adumadi tambangamde aduga one last important thing I have learned is patients in many times ko khoi chinbanina isu chinbanina wasu ama tawbanina tawbane patients in my complaint yam leiba aduga khoi ni yengbada kemta phangdaba ko aina adugi matamduda phangdragasu few days or few weeks or depending on the condition ko ada amu repeat toroga yengba like adum dik toba mana phatragadi dum come back toba and moina haido kaino madi haidi usually anamba matamdana patient aingonda I see nungaite khote hai taragadi pot amadi dum laidine but akoi chin bania natraga koi phangdabania sometimes we especially in women's ko women study stress ni anxiety ni natraga hormones ni haiga dismiss toba laina mayam layeba and which delays the diagnosis so that's this why you learning aman
okay comparison tawraga yeng se haragadi Manipur sidi we are way back akhoi like yam nemi akhoi di yamna soli ko Manipur state sidi state atopada yengoragadi hoi phajaba ma hospital mayam amadi leire country atopada su tawrame adugi experience and then adudigi moi lamgi saukatpa adudigi moi equipment shu da ba state atopada India gi manungda haragasu adudusu different experience tongan thengnaramani in terms of earning the haragaju in terms of living standard the haragaju mayam da khoi Manipur sidi yamna kano oi atopaga compare tawragadi ko plus irang habsidi Manipur sidi like adum leira pot ni now what made you decide kai gino nang Manipur da laga sigi thapak si ai Manipur da tawge haina decide tawraga lai usi
maram lay and I would say for my own selfish reasons kai gino habada aina mapanda sum thabak torpa matam sida moigi kaino se ko for two reasons ne ko primary reason di my parents ko ai my pase koi moi khar ahan oire ko 70s early 70s ko and aina mapanda sum mi atopa se ko hadi ahalaman moigi population di am aging population su oibenina treatment torpa matam sida ko I wonder guilty conscience malak pato ko haibadi aigi parents this muina adi kamai tongni kanan yengni ko aduna is kara panic oiba adumana anxious oiba si singse la eba especially time do jon do different oibanina akoina suna kana tumma matamna na koi mauna hogat matam moina hogalaga wari watai sang matamna aina tumma matam adai ai thabak ngang sur ga lakpanina waba natraga thabak tawringai da su leidana ko emergency gumba natradi na phammaga phone ga sana leibi yo thak tarni dana ana adagi paisa gi haba podam la ai paisa lai hai tar su suti ko mapanda tauba system se moi private laite UK da ko public ngak ne ba ana public kin in hospital se am chau na district amagi hospital chau ba like large bedded hospitals ko 2000 3000 doctor ma ju am le tuni ba ko rotation ma thabak shok tuni da ana ko gi shuti sha start of the year ga marak ko shuti se ani ne ba moi ne matam pirak to se da ko holiday se ko lahog doi ne ba ana ai Christmas matam da chang ko ninga shuti ga hana apply ta hod di phang ba na te ba kai no na moi na matam ma pirakani ba sida ko shuti se apply tong na hog doi ne ba ana shuti se block ta ne ba ko ko emergency gum lai re ko le hai tar ga di adugi budi leave lai ko ana ta su generally ko gi type ta ai ngasi di ai yung gi thaba am lai re aduna ai ngasi di khar theng kani khol kani si chatna de ba da di adabani na ai connection di am walaktra aina sigumba mayam se na ai se tawga ai se yumda di many kaino se khoi ma hoi gi ko ai di khara yengjan ge hai bagi kaino da su pandam da su ai se tholak pane ba
okay
and another thing I know work torok pase ai se stroke unit am thawak tawre ba you know da ai gi neurology lor kan ai gi physical ai gi men specialization se stroke ne ba
okay
stroke unit thawak torok pa mo gi stroke system se yam organize we aduga stroke se yamna time bound oidena ko time bound oibenina magi matam khara katang laiba sida khoni intervene ta hogada ba ko adu natraga di magi consequences yamna devastating oidena
mane
adu moyi system do akhoi Manipur so ina adugumba haidi stroke system se ai khara semning bagi su ko sisu aina thamning ba haitare haidi kitang streamline toroga so that people don't waste time they know where to go, they reach hospital in time, and we can give the proper treatment ko aduga outcome do phajanaba adumaina su ai jis maina su khallaga aise lakne
khandabusu yada koisu anamma matam mapalam da laikpanina adagi doctor ge wabu ju ji hari da jadum relate tawi
ai gi nuksiba ai gi 11 year ones this loi lai 9 sa gi bai wani dana ko so muina la di kai chakani habagi aingonda photo atmaina la eba dana aina khara uruba khangjaruba gi experience to adu sida ya di replicate tawbodo aina to some extent aina dungam gadra haina lakpani
okay yam phajai tungda lakdawriba tawgadawriba thawang mayam daju adumak success oibuso dum oijunu ka adu wish tawning mane doctor akhoi ji kano gi ngasi brain gi matang na akhoi sana du wari chi ko aduna Manipur di akhoi na neurology have why is dum taba matam da neurology have si karino kari subject no khangdaba akhoi mayam gi damakta si telapna explain tawiba ya da what is neurology aduga neurologist amagi thapak sina karino have
neurology se akhoi is a science or knowledge or learning of the conditions pertaining to nervous system
okay
nervous system hairagadi nervous system da narakpa kholakpa laina myam se yengba sa sisine ba khona neurology haise ko
okay
anna nervous system hairagadi akhoi gi body da central nervous system and peripheral nervous system ko central haisina brain and spinal cord so anything brain dagi tholakpa laina akhoi spinal cord gi tholakpa laina ko plus peripheral nervous system hairagadi khona spinal cord rom dagi tholakpa singdi nauri myam body da muloi supply torok to ni dana aduga signal do la aga gi body se whatever movement over cord function na ko aduna si se singdi nauri brain spinal cord ana singdi nauri na supply to do se muscles so muscle laina su yawe ba si da ko
okay
na brain gi laina spinal cord singdi nauri and to some extent muscle so neurology hairagadi neurosurgeon and neurologist ko or neuromedicine neuromedicine is a medicine part to ko mana conservatively medicine tharaga tawba treatment sing do aduga aduna neurology or neuromedicine aduga neurosurgeon sina moina surgery any kind of surgery da kar oiraba brain se hang da yadraba natraga len da yadraba natraga spine surgery da kar oiraba natraga singina oi da su moina tatpa samba khotpa whatever repair da kar oiraba adugumba sina surgery neurosurgeon medicine part sina neuromedicine
I see patient mayam gi marakta doctor gi experience ki matungina Manipur da hojik akhoi gi neurological related oibal laina khwaidagi yamba se kari ne haigani cost na kari ne haigado
khwaidagi common oibasa kana thengna bada hairagadi stroke ko stroke se kaino da magi risk factors am yame ba and plus stroke se is globally worldwide the mase third leading cause of death and disability death and disability monda gi hendo cancer ga kaino cardiovascular disease heart
ko
aduna mase major burden ne ba khoi ko ana hoina stroke se duga stroke ki magi risk factor hai targadi yong mai risk factor am yame ba plus ai diabetes ko blood sugar wangba dagi blood pressure wangba hypertension ko cholesterol wangba ko adu adigi khoi lifestyle aduna blood pressure wangba uncontrol oibni ko haiduse blood sugar laiba diabetes uncontrol oiba singum sidi yam rane me haidi hypertension na ba mi bo yami ne ba ko adu hypertension gi di akoina 1 in 3 people sa hypertension na do ne ba adu ko je khangoi di ne ba majority tang kham ne mu khangoi di ne ba ko adu maina diabetes su khoi gi india di huji diabetic capital of the world oil ne ba aduna magi population si myam sin amu risk factor or pani na moi myam gi complication sin ne ba mu stroke ta lak tu je aduna stroke ki oina di na sai gi khoi gi neurological condition yam common oi ba hairaga di stroke is one of the most common adagi Manipur gi population da ko aina yam thengna ba se neurodegenerative conditions us exam thengna re ko neurodegenerative abadi khoi gi nervous system se degenerate toropa degenerate wear and tear ko aduna magi akoina for example akoina kaugan bagi laina dementia kan haise ko Alzheimer's disease ado tuna sina akoina dementia sina akoina cognition habidi mi amagi akoina functioning se akoina wa ngangna riba ibani wari sanariba si se aina na ngang se kaino understand to wam changdra na adagi aina ngang du se kaino ai khanbam changdra li si se kaw khatang na te ba memory si su component amane ba cognition gi but atopa habdi khoi gi language adagi akhoi gi planning adagi akhoi gi ngasai gi navigation skill si myam se loina mak cognition ne ba ana cognition se mangdhara akanda mana aigi day to day activity da affect ro possible khona dementia kaweba duga alzheimer's sina one of the commonest cause of dementia neba aduna sisu yam lay Manipur da aduga khoigi sina cognition da cognition involved to neurodegenerative condition idana sumaina khoina lengba chatpa khotpa khoigi movement se ko body gi movement da affect over khoigi neurodegenerative condition ama lay Parkinson's disease haina
okay
Parkinson's disease yam lay ai majority of the patients are stroke dementia Parkinson's disease aduga epilepsy chare hoba ko but like this in this orders minor di lay gani ba ko aduga atop atay neuro infection gumba inflammation su khara dim lay ko but ai no ji paliba mari sa sisina
major common 2020 digi yengaga achi bawgi 2025 2024 25 ki adum report adum yengaga 25 to 30 35 shigi age group ta laina ji adum masing yam khalap podong ubra nataga achi ahal mandana hen bra percentage kamaina laibu shigi
stroke se akoina ahal khara oira akan oira me bahana laina se but we are seeing stroke in young now a lot of patients got stroke in young haibadi me say 40 natraga literatures are different some says 40 some says 45 40 natraga 45 ki makhada leba me ja she the stroke to was gonna stroke in young however adu stroke in young za definitely it is increased definitely I experience so increase the way aduga akoigi global burden of disease and akoi registry like ko ya cho akoi laina major laina burden se ko sida su increase the way adi shift the way hai tare demographics ana ngasagi ay 60 kai kai mamang da khatang lairambado mani se kana younger da su kana yam uba phange
alman singna bp guys de kon after 50 60 year kan ahan sing ata da kaino tawni haba adugumba ngangi ba ta ki ba koi lay haba adu regadi aduki matik ahongba changes la khre ko habane da tawriba kaino lairiba phibam si ko
angang habidi ko young oiba akoigi early 30s 40s even 20s tabok da thengna ba yawi da bp laib se ko so basically BP lay ba hai se khoi maram ani ne ba amana ahan or ko gi som BP lay khalak pa se maram atop amta lay ta
okay
primary hypertension ko kai na ha khoi na ahan sum oira ga di khoi i butong se stiff oil eba stiff oil ba thagalak pa khokalak pa chahi gi matung ina tawe ana chahi gi matung ina sahi ama mi khud ma tong ni habdi lay ke ko if you take good care and your lifestyle is good ko si su khoi na mitigate to way ai ba ko but akhoi na kai no tawre harasine ko ngasagi I utong se sum thagalaba khujala ko tawrabani na khoi chamber do pixel agadi pressure do wang idana so this is primary hypertension chahi gi matungina lakpa atwa factor am like tar se ko aduga secondary hypertension haisina atwa factor leira kanda wanga ko bp wang gi component ko condition khara leiba bp wang halakpa bp wang halakpa for example kidney guma na kana bp wang pa yawi ko
okay
aduga khoi gi blood vessels sing sida inflammation tho kana bp wang pa yawi causing condition si sina koina secondary hypertension ko so secondary hypertension di can happen at any age natra kai ma di magi ngasagi pathology do different way ko adu huji koina younger generation da yam thengna ri se khoi stress and anxiety and our lifestyle ko lifestyle si pura completely khoi change torpani na so major impact se smaina la ine
stroke torpa matam da khoina kari kamaina haiba khangdaba kharaju adugi mit sa kharaju lai ko aduna stroke hek thok ba matam da khoi brain da lairiba condition phibam si karino kamaina laibu
so khoina stroke hai se ngai brain gi blood supply se khoina cut off torba for some reason ko phunjan bani khangde adagi I utong ba tatlaga pokhai bani khangde ko pokhai rabani na basically pura tatpa budi yaude to pokhai rabani na blood to I do thok thok kharga laire I do yaudre de na magi area do da brain gi blood supply yaudra kana brain gi cells se see ba okay brain se very highly madi yamna active oiba organ ni na my blood supply se my continuous dakar oiba highly dependent on blood supply ko ana khoina seconds khara kanang cut off to matam da sagi millions of neurons see do ne ba neurons sagi brain gi cells adu see do ne ba aduna see grabani na my brain sing do sida grabani na cell do sida grabani na my function do mangani dana function mangagadi clinically khoina magi depending on magi ngasagi area duna tawriba mai mathaudugi matung inna magi khoi functional deficit to urani mai function to wangam da bada for example speech ki center do oira gadi wangam ba problem orani ko motor area oiri khoi khut khong leng ba problem orani ko sigum ba mem khoi na uba se si khoi na stroke and ko So akhoi stroke ti yam devastating oise kai gino hai matam da akhoi brain gi cells sing se once si gi taragadi moi completely regenerate tawde ba atopa khara different oi ba atopa body gi organ ga ko you know ma completely regenerate tawde khara ma ka tawya but they don't regenerate akhoi gi akhoi na pok pa da yauri ba akhoi gi brain gi cells a si dum
oi do
ne ba okay duga brain gi di concepts one concept like on neuroplasticity hai na haidi sigi area sigi neurons sing se sigra kanda magi cells se sigra bani na brain gi area se sidare na neighboring surrounding atopa neurons ina ma se supply taraga magi activity do overcome to ba ko
okay
ngasai gi somna kan gi ma'am do mangre na sigra na aduna si area se supply tarok pa adu di lay ba ko but neuroplasticity is a very like incomplete process of this ko adu ma di yam na ko rehabilitation and training they am dependent on the process ne ko intensive training da kar oi ni ko aduna apna once brain thing si da gi taraga di reason to way am why ba aduna ne ba ngai gi stroke ki consequences su yam da phatri se ko
factor budi me am ma leram ba ya have ko due to kidney maybe or due to high blood pressure stroke have di khudak tak la ga dum kaino to gum bane ba ko adu is there any sign warning sign gum ba early warning sign have da koina khang da ba avoid to ba ya da ba
like koina acronym am season ne ko we call it like fast I say FAST ko FAST fast ado fast se koina ka change roga ani ga hapchalaga koina B fast ko B
mamang B hapchalaga
mamang B hapchalaga aduna fast and hairage do B fast hairake ko kai usually koina fast hairaga mayam sina khangna na ba sai sengine adagi B se mo hapak ne ko so fast ki F se na hai se facial asymmetry na khoi gi usually khoi gi face se symmetrical oidra 100% di oidra ne ko khara budi khane du usually pai aman side pura pai dhara galai ba ko padi oide dana aduna one side se pai dhara tar gadi asymmetry habadi manaraktra gadi ko pai dhara ko kadara ko ta this is a sign of weakness ko
okay
sigi facial muscle mangi weakness is a sign ko dagi masagi A is na arm weakness or bi leg weakness or any limb weakness but arm weakness ko A has arm ko kuchi thang pa ngamak ta ba is it ngam da ba ko then ko gi S na ko gi speech se lon wangang ba se slurred or pa slurred hai di koina lon se pai ba lon se aina ngang ma ngam ta ba ai tat ba na ta ga ai speech sam slow or pa na ta lai ton seng ta ba ai wangang so this is speech do tar ga di koina time to go to hospital have never gone usually time to call 911 have di mo gi mapan yo na same gi ne ba to awareness and dong na ba but for the understanding when adoi tar ga di koina stroke or be immediately medical intervention seek to have ne ba ado koina amu atopasu stroke to only si khadang na te ba atopa su oi be ai ba na koina b ma ka hap chali ne ba okay b is na balance so problem with balance tat pa ko pa koina hairak pa tu ge to ba ko sima aduga e sina eye problems habidi mid urak ta ba vision problems ko mid udaba
mid shon ba
yes adu si pot man sa ise akoina stroke men sing da hai tar ga di kai ga dam na ai ngasai gi high river pot man sa loin mak sadan oi ga dam ne kutak ta tor la ise tha ma da gi tung sai no ai se in the sense patients ina ai singa sai di phajana phamam bane hu jite kenom tawre hai ba ngam ne ba na ga ai marang chak char me da gi chak char ni swine tawre hai bhai man they will be able to tell exactly when it happened because it's a sudden onset
sudden attack ne ba ko
sudden attack ne ba adana because of B fast
sidi khudakta kaidung dazu delay tawba yadabagi adugumba treatment am oi kare sedi natra
one stroke tawgra kan na koina one stroke tawgra kan na gi e utong do mai e do supply tawba do yo da mai area am lai gani dana ko that whatever area
she ba
that is core
okay
core ko ko core core aduga core gi surrounding area am lai gani ba penumbra so penumbra hai se kaino hai tar ga di penumbra se akoina penumbra sina at a risk of dying neba if we don't intervene immediately
khudak ta kana tawdragadi
aduna immediate intervention yaudragadi penumbra se die to penumbra se su sirak to chap mana ko effect of to neba aduna aina horopadu dai lon kitang kitang phairam ba yae ba so there is a penumbra which is at risk of dying aduna penumbra si yaura agadi sigi chauna sirak to ni dana aduna that can become very big aduna magi consequences is maybe more.
Yeah, amuka hena chawde
Yes, aduna nang pura loan kitang phainambadagi pura paralysis or PI gyan mangi BI ko aduna si ma'am or palo one stroke to gitaragadi akogi cellular mechanism is such that chronically inflammation forever, even years after stroke, up to 1 to 3 years ko aduna inflammation ID kaino inflammation ID any pain swelling ko adugi akogi cellular function problem oiba si akoi inflammation kaweba and si se brain manung da smile dum thok le so your brain will be not working well or not functioning properly ko aduna magi duna ne stroke se once tau credit recovery se am tapkani mani drok to si yaudra aduna koina try to se khoi gi target se ngasagi immediately khoi gi penumbra se save tau so penumbra is because penumbra is salvageable adu penumbra do salvage tau ba duga miodo ngasagi patient se magi functionality se preserve tau ba so that is our goal. So this has to be done. It has a specific time like ideally akoina offer to way our treatment sing sa within 4.5 hours 6 hours of onset like horokpadagi ko hek horokpadagi onset aduna si khatane ba time se yong ne hek horopaga sat on chakadamane ba stroke si ko to some extent condition khara da akoina 24 hours for extent away I ko but matam se yama igai akogi complexity hengalakani risk hengalakani even if we have treatment ko anana risk hengalakani complexity hengalakani pisatang hengalakani aduga magi kano outcome su poorer orkani kon intervene tok taragasu mani every second your brain is deprived of blood, millions of neurons are dying every second
aduki matik luwe ha ko sigi kano si subject si khanghaudana angang amada sigumba stroke thokpagumba lak thingnabagumba adugumba patient lak adum lakpa yawbra and then makoigi kano si kamaina tawi treatment kamaina tawki kamaina moigi recovery process kamaina tawi
so stroke di am thingnai ko stroke di am thingnai recovery di dum tappe usually because they don't come in time khangdaba ko aduga adult di ko adult di kharabu like haiba pot ma'am say adult di kharabu akoing ai mujinga sa hai juga fast ka hai gi sing se adum thengna bani ne adult di lak pa su yawe ko ideally usually they don't come on time khangda bani gi ni ko awareness yam kan lai ta bakitang lukko kumbalum bana traga loan gum bakitang phai se wa bagi ni da weakness ne ai da to khara tawren traga ai tumba khara wa lure duga usually they think they will slip it off ai pa ga pharani khan ba ko so an mai to bodum thengna aduna thengna lak pani na aduga intervene to give a patient so like intervene to give a moigi stroke to devastating we hodra ba ko di pura paralysis to the vida dum walking talking line everything okay over patient so like ba aduga nangi question sam phaje habadi pediatric ko angangi stroke se so stroke has usually khon han nga ta khanadra ne
man khandi wakhanda adum laiba hoy
angang su tawe ba angang da tawbagi reason sina angang da tawbagi causes sina yame ba different ne ba ko but angang hai se akoina beyond certain age magi brain ke ka se brain gi magi pathway me am se develop tawba se around 1 year gum chang dani fully 6 months to 1 year ko aduna 1 year gi beyond gum da tawgi tar gadi aina nga sai khara chakhola gadi angang se khoina nga sai gi slurring of speech adagi adu me am do ko sai arm weakness facial asymmetry adu ube ai ba ko but angang apik pa se nga sai magi akogi brain gi pathway me am se phajana develop tawdribani na si uroi ba udabani na we will miss it because nobody will suspect aduna si miss to basa akogi Manipur khatangi data natte ba ko generally akoina present western data ne ko western data da usually pediatric stroke ki akoina stroke ne chingnaraga present diagnosis to basa si se median se 23 days ne sorry 23 hours 23 hours so much of hours we are wasting adu de koina intervene to gada matam de loina west or dra 23 to 27 hours kumane ba because we're not suspecting stroke to the corner lakti ne ba number 1 because signs are very subtle in young children my sign do khangroi ba ko so yam pik pa ngang do ergadi new onset seizure sa young ting ba sa si stroke bi ai ba immediately to 5 new onset seizure mana dum seizure gi leina leraga young ting ba du natta ba first seizure se in a lifetime sisu akoina kaino oibe yaiba ko stroke oibe yaiba angang aduna akoina angang dadi khar sectioning ai oi aduga angang gi factors angang gi risk factors are completely different from adult ko angang gi koi gi blood clotting gi problem ko se thagan ba mi layeba aduga adagi akoi gi I utongda inflammation tawba pomba saba ko ai ngasa haiba ko angang dadi akoina mai am pikpa angang dadi difficult oiba aduna mai ngasa gi akoina fast ka haidu ura roiba because the brain pathways are not formed yet ko aduna ngasa gi first onset seizure natraga angang se attentive oiraktraba poor feeding oiba natraga magi khut khong du kitang problem ai di tingaga leiba khotpa admaina anything oragadi that can be stroke sisu this is a very good question okay. You know usually when we talk of stroke we talk of stroke in adult population natra but angang rarely oiba ko rare okay do angang di heart disease magi heart ki disease na ga lak pase congenital heart disease si yam oigal leba natraga heart ki valve kumba da su infection to wear ko chunga si taw kan da heart gi brain da kan to stroke si na most common cause origin mo de hypertension diabetes adugumba lak tri ko sometimes stroke treatment se akoina hidak katang na kapaga fattaba su layeba ko hidak kapaga na pharoi da clot sam chaw tar ga de hidak kapa duna thugai bangam deba hidak kapa se akoina intravenous akoina vein da gi kap toineba ko adu katang na ngam da layeba duna akoina catheter akoigi ngasai gi cerebral akoigi I utong se brain gi I utong se access tawraga akoina othok toineba clot se adu othok gi process to di mai ngasai gi instruments sing du yam tang plus tau de doctor yam highly skilled on the car oitra not each and every person will be able to do it chumi sigi factor ma'am se du stand kumba ko season de retriever ka ma'am si su afaba ma panda saba ko ngathane ba ko secondly sigumba madagi akoi kai chang ani dakar kai lerani akoi gi advanced imaging CT scan khatang na yara roi advanced imaging chang kan akoi CT perfusion kind of scan dai ko na to ko na CT angio perfusion MR angio ka MR perfusion adu me adu chang ani aduna kai gino akoi na tawdur interventions risky oiba it has its own inherent risks kai gino habi matam da khoina catheter do ngasai gi I utong do thinjen do ni dana ana clot to khoina either displace to baya clot to atopa da chalaga atopa area dong chalaga stroke mu thok ya clot to khoina clot to manipulate to duni dana ko clot to khoina ko thok traga dina tragana akoina laidre be jaga do sa hekta I utong aina hekta sidagi catheter je thinjalaga straight hekta yoga da bana teba marak my course to me am lairiba and there are certain areas is very difficult ko torturous oiba ko hotel laiba ko aduna akoina adudagi I utong do koina tawraga ko lumata bleeding tropagi risk layeba ko so magi inherently risk carry to pot neba aduna koina only we will intervene when we know that the benefit is more than the risk so akoi gidi okay percentage hienga so medical the any intervention we do is akoina risk ka benefit ka ratio si yeng doineba risky over procedure se benefit na hen chawragadi will go for that so aduna akoina kamai yeng akani ngasai ena core and penumbra haibido na core sina kyam yamino penumbra sina kyam yamino penumbra sina yam yamagadi habi akoina kanbya tissue se yam yamagadi akoina kandragadi si patient se few hours tama pra devastating only because the penumbra is so big natra okay penumbra singa sai si doraba neba ha leragadi adu taragadi magi stroke ki presentation do sum henjelak toineba adu taragadi kotho horagadi mai adu gi potu la oidrineba ko core gi khara leijakhraga su ko adu maina aduna core gi volume kaino penumbra se kai kyam leiri core ga penumbra gi ratio se kaino adu maina adu yenga pa se kai change advanced imaging chang pa ni sum ba am sen gi problem am sila eba ko aduna sumaina CR gi challenges sing sina kana face tawise not only time su measure amabudi oiba ko but certain things ko maina aduna khoina challenge as like overcome to ge haragadi easy oiba task ti oide but we have to start from somewhere khoi to di ade aduna awareness pbc su one of the major like initiative ko awareness aduna ne ba khoina ngasi khoina sta wari ga sanaraga taina su question hangbiri dana ko so maina awareness aduga awareness de laira kan amu khoina thengalak pokhalak pasisu so at every level patients aware oiba doctors who dedicated oiba then doctors who upgrade tawba khoi skills na haitagadi kanani then akhoigi policy makers su khoina akhoina limited akhoigi skill akhoigi si limited oijare dana ko sina taba policy maker na khoina kari tawba I so that we have better stroke treatment available for the population kai kai to yage adugi pot ma'am se kana khana doine ba ko mapanda ma'am tawise stroke se mapanda ma'am tawise stroke ki aina huji hariba clot ka lok thokpa hai si very highly specialized treatment ne ba ko yam highly skill of people change mi hedi doctor loin mak na taw ngam gada basna te oi su oina de mapanda su ko my field da chana gi na kamai taw ga ha matamda model sa there is a something called spoke and hub model spoke ama layerni khoi gi cycle gi tire ro khangi dana ko
macha
mayai da ama layerni ko hub that's hub aduga atai dana spoke ma'am lay jine
lay
spoke so stroke to this spoke and hub model is very like khoi gi yam relevant oi ba pot ama ne ba ko kai gi no hai matam da hub center sa sidai sita nga sai gi any kind of advanced treatment everything se tok dune
spoke ta nataba mayagi kaino do ko
mayagi hub sida ko so we have spoke sing sina any emergency treatment nga haki to ya ba sing se tok dibu so aina smaina awareness piba matam da khoi gi repeat questions sa repeat questions se do mayam sina hang to say aina ukhul dagi oro aina bisnupur dagi oro aina do de oro de bisnupur is still very close khul alap dagi oro de ai kamani yo ai di matam 4.5 doctor na di 4.5 hour high dena or 6 hours high dena ai di travel to bu dum chat khrani matam do kamai tawni so this is the feasible model but I khatang na tawbudi yaro we need policy makers we need to sensitize that also nadra habidi koina aduna ngasai gi cruise leba patient ama Senapati leba patient ama wherever ko adu leba patient ama magi immediate photo taw khra taragadi then from that spoke hospital to the hub hospital channels create tawdabneba sineba mapana tawrise thrombolysis center haiba malai adagi khoi thrombectomy center gumba studies thrombectomy dakar not every akhoi stroke patient khudi maksu khoi clot to lokthok dakar leiteba ko adagi laiba patient subset ama leijeyeba thrombolysis na adum yaba su leiyeba every stroke patient do sigi hub center sida chat lady moi overburden oiredra breakdown toredra system do aduna ne khoi district hospital leise kai gino so certain things are targeted at that point aduga mana refer to ropodo ko adumaina stroke the same nebo ko aduna sigi center sing sida koina stroke ki immediate oiba treatment sa seasonal available oiraga moina handle to bangam da bodo aduna hap to lin thar so this is something very feasible and this is something that we are
yam phasai doctor gi kano na hai
hoping will happen
matamna saukhalakpi matungina mi jingju adum akhoi kano same legedaba nate ko aduna mathang doctor tamphana adum adugi kano do share to bire na ta asidagi adum akhoi mathang sum khangminnaraga experience to digi matungina adum akhoi ja wadli mayam do akhoi mathang discuss tawraga amana ama kano tawraga upgrade to taragadi obviously asigi awabu su leira roi aduga akhoi equipment hairo for example sisu available ohan mangamaba district level ta adoragadi for example ahanba first aid to district piramagaju makha ta bangam da buduna akhoi hojiki doctor habduna infalda control ta horaga tawragadi yamna systematic oi gidaba
every stroke patients jung sai haptal agadi strokes are all they're all priority adi priority me ada loina tawna bade haptu da loina mak tawbudi yaro
adu sumuka
selection of patient is very important so what we call triaging triage to was is ko disaster management to is triage red green blue ma'am na pidudi ko do quite immediate the
aduna ahanba priority piba
so we have to do that this prioritization system also very important
so jiki doctor na hai hibu da aina dum topic siga yamna relevant oram da bi adu bodu da aron points have tare aware to da bakhramasu adum yauri ko akoi gi health insurance kumba hai ge haragade aduna health insurance ki siju haibugum da hojiki finances ki matang da su factor am oirebane asi it's one of the most expensive treatment hojiki stroke ki haibi doctor gi experience da dum wari da zum haire dum khange ko adorgadi khoi si finance backup se kamai la ka doino for example
exactly you're right so one of the most expensive treatment in the sense that strokes in a cost of the burden sa for example I see stroke tore khalasine ko I am a healthy in my early 40s working earning everything ko I see stroke togragadi aina aigi annual income se le mangwedra I paralyze ha body paralyze to hai thabak sa pangam dra ha se ai income to mangadra plus adumaina aduga aina imung chalai ramba mi oramagadi bread earner oramagadi imung kai orani adugi burden adugi cost tugi yenguragadi whatever akoi gi treatment gi kaino sa cost sa it's nothing adu nothing oi hairagasu khudakta puthokpa ngamdaba patient layeba natra layeba aduna paisa gi pot sima lakpanina ne akoina paisa gi pot once paisa involved tawragadi mistress to create tawe laye doctor na hai sima hospital ne hen paisa se antong bagira khotira ko
adugumba hoy
obviously because money is involved na ja paisa duna yam da bo ragadi kaisum khalloi paisa do yam agadi amuka hen hela ani ko ana pocket te puthokpa di wa duine ba ana adumaina ma factors me am lakpanina especially in stroke it's very challenging kai gina da khoi di treatment do thuna to pam duine
mane
adu di moina paisa gi factor mo zo khala ani adagi stroke haragadi already deficit khara di laidune hanjalakna ba tawdune anama usually ko kai gina hada moina symptom do kemta yam mal orgala adi fa na tragadi ngasai gi core ina hagi do core is already dead core di ina revive to bonga maroi dana ko penumbra se kon safe to dine ba aduna hekta ma dramatically da nga phagala kada bu natte ba ko aduna unless ngasagi deficit se am pick pana tragadi do minus oi da banina ko the challenges sumba challenges am thengnai ba ko but India gi fact ina the fact says si kai no haiba matamda akoi sa majority of Indians are one major illness away from bankruptcy kai gi no haiba da India sa thaina gi 20-30 years back ki India se oi drabane ba yam advanced oi rabane especially medical field loi laidana ko when any yone akoi hujik su Manipur dai su thaina gadi yam khanarangani hujik Delhi da chataba mi kana legene flight to ga it's very Delhi loi chatle na tra so ai gi kanano ma near and dear one do hinganingadi ko chatningoi dra chatningani do chapa matam da ada laidiba kaino se facilities se akoi the best pamakani dana I want the best for my dear and near ones na tra adu the best pamakani na best means money aduna sigi pot ma'am se phangakpanina koina treatment su pininga kanidana ko aduna I think koigi health insurance ki awareness isu kitang laibadi phaina khale ko health insurance se aina sung khangbada it's not only company gi su ma'am lai ko company gi ICICI ma'am adu ai ICICI lombar yawe ba ko aduna taba atopa ma'am le adu sarkar gi su laiba sarkar gi scheme su laiba health insurance ki ko exactly premium na kayam no duga magi benefit na kayam no du ada de khangde but sarkar gi su laiba ko even aina yeng bada monthly income 21,000 gi makha da laiba monthly income laiba family gi bo health insurance scheme laiba anas mana kitang aware oiraga ko then because health is priority oina thamaga health ki some backup ama thambasa cd aina khanbada it will be a very wise decision kaino da khoi gi body hakchang body ai si shwa na roi khol oi haiba ngamde na ko so body yang ne just simple covid tawgi ba matam and then just kai hai khoi gi dengue me am da dengue hai just simple yam sathi bu sulai trane
lei pau da so adum tari bu mangai dengue na ga si gre
so not necessary you'll have a very major illness and natra
chume sigi awareness akoi amaga ma share tong na bu si darkar lai taunari ba ngak tani except akoi health sida haiba dong na akoi top priority pi ba haiba se yam darkar lai ba dum kal le hoi hojik doctor ba ina hangningi je nasai gi dakta na hai ki ba pan ki ba ngangbi ki ba mayam du adu su hoi factor moire to iba mayam da su kai gino kamaina lai ban hawado adu nataba apart from that akoi gi hojik je akoi ni hingi ba modern lifestyle koina saba thaiba tawriba mayam se sine ju maram oirga akoi effect tu laibra siju factor ama oiribra hawado sigi matang da akoi doctor na kitang explain to bi yagadra
bp diabetes si mi lo khangna re ko bp diabetes lairagadi kan control lairagadi fazana control tawdragadi stroke risk wange haba khangna re heart ki condition lairagadi stroke risk wange haba mi khangna re but akoi major hari okay bpd doctor na yengani hidak pirani control tawni diabetes so somebody will treat and that will fix it or keep it under control ko but there is a major chunk of risk factor man lairi ba akoi na kai kawe lifestyle ko the yaw to say akoi habits so akoi gi diet ko any aggravatory inflammatory diet you take is very bad adu kai si diet se aina hai se aggravatory inflammatory diet is kai no harake ba then your rest is very important and sleep lack of sleep is very bad ko lack of sleep se tum phadana tum da mi se si stroke risk se moange
okay
then akoi gi any harmful substance that we use akoi tobacco oigera ko in any form or akoi ngasai gi alcohol there is no safe amount of alcohol for brain ko
use masung ya yandra
use yam patte then adagi yudagi hena phattabasi sleep watpasine na phatrini ko
tumbo watpase
so our diet our rest sleep ko then our all the mental anxiety stress that we are dealing with ko sisu mental stress ke kasna su mana independent risk factor nataba independent hari ma mathanda ai stress lady stroke torne habadi nataba but ma se risk factor amaneba and I atopa condition amta laitaba ai se only stress nang laiba adoi taragadi ai se stroke togadra hairagadi we don't know not enough
haiba ngamde adubudi
but akoina masu one of the risk factor neba ko ana akoina sagi akoina brain se healthy oina thamge haitardi lifestyle some important oeba again movement so mari sure ko diet ne exercise or movement aduga akoigi mental health condition ko aduga
sleep hoy tumbu
so things yam important oeba koida kai hadun akoina lengdaba khotaba sedentary lifestyle leiba mi sing se moina high risk of getting cardiovascular habdi heart ki laina oigera adikhi stroke oigera si se thopagi major risk ta neba moina leidoise aduna akoina phammaga leiba akoi humang ta da hai tare ne ko sisu yam phatteba then lack of sleep so another phatre ko aduga akoigi diet se akhoi chu yu churup chu aduda su amuk lak se ba ko chu bai mi loi khangi yu thok phatte chu thok phatte ko adugi science su mu discuss taw se do akoina yu thakta ba chu thakta ba mi ko hakchang di phatta ba mayam diabetes or whatever laiba
okay
nataga stroke taw ba anu moina haidu ai di phatta ba substance ba season day but I want to come and see Lena Sina hiding it. But we huziki lifestyle gi matung ina kamai to gera hoise ultra processed food season adra. So what is ultra processed food? Ultra processed have the ingredients more than 5. Any kind of ingredient extra nangi food tum adi processed food se magi original form dagi change taw se processed food ka weba akoina hawan bagi oigera pat kera mem
mahaw hapa color hapa gumba
colorants yes
adigi
more than 5 already akoina ultra processed ka weba ko most of the time they are instant akoina instant chawe apa pot mem se ko akoina ultra processed food on consume to bami sa moi gi chada bami amaga compare to matam da stroke risk is 67% higher ne
okay yang wangina to
this smoking is around 50 akoigi smoke not only alcohol or any illicit substance khatang natti poison se ko the food that are using adana akoina kitang aware of the ko akoina pot sum yeng ko matam da na sum ingredients sum pa matam da pa da khang da ingredient lai tra pa ba thok ta ingredient do adu ya already that is ultra processed akoina mapan da seminar am tawe ba ko like sensitization akoina stroke ki to ismaina of ultra processed food kai gino hai matam da UK is a very developed country. Let's say people moi matam like time sine hena precious ne time ja to matik tang e ba ko aina haiba matam da maybe will not understand because our life is very different akoi gidi matam je
am tongala
aduna khoi da ko ga chak ka thongi na ba mi hire to ba kai adu gum upai lekte aduna ai je thabak am chillaga di sometimes thabak to yang wana su ga halang matam da chak thong da ba mi chu yaudra aduna kamai da most of the time restaurant chala saba ngam basnate it's not feasible aduna hoina sumaina hujiki ultra processed food I say moi already thonga thaga instant freezer da leiba myam sam leiba ko aduna moi gi lifestyle just sumaina oireba and that's causing a lot of problem aduna moi gi na moi gi discussion sina sumaina neba sigi pot se kamaina charoi do ge se but akhoi gi countries na kamai thori we are developing aduna akhoi na hana akhoi di yum da thonga chaba sina lairba mi KFC da chaba sina khara nungai ba well to do natra khara chaba ngamba aduna hujina fat oina chatline ba like a fashion khoi jina kitang ulta ne ba natra aduna anything that you cook from scratch khoi kitchen da khoi na thong ba sa this is the best food matam da laita ba wane ba yari gi diduna mapanda once in a while chaba ke jukai de but don't make it a habit ko ke jukai de habit ultimately we have to eat akhoi human in the chaning ak trana abstinence have a possible karam matam da successful oige hai bagi di am yai ko abstinence but abstinence is not successful because khoi the brain we habit of na khoi pa ma ida na wa but akhoi na yum da gi thong ga chaba sina maximum time yum da gi thong ga chaba sa sigi se akhoi gi goal oige da if you want to be healthy
I see hanagi adum leirama ba chatnarama ba akhoi ahalaman singna tawramba moina chatnaramba yamna simple oiba living standard haiba tare lifestyle
amarom dadi ko sida lai su perks laiba so challenges the different place ki different challenges ne
chume kamaina tawraga koi ji ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯒꯤ present modern life style ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ standard siga yengaga kamaina tawraga hoisi mix balance tawba yabagi routine kamaina semgani for example
that is the challenge that is the challenge because with the advent of technology makan lakpadagina khoi life say pura completely changed the way of life the way of society we live ko
yam hong
aduna hojik se akhoina ngasagi 20-30 years ki mamangda lairamba se pura completely different. Multitasking. Actually, there is nothing called multitasking. Multitasking have a brain handle to bayati. Maybe small tasks at a very menial level, but nang nathaba ama khadana focus taroke hai taragadi multitasking have a pot like
Okay.
But we have been glorifying khoina pamjik ahoina yam hustle culture ko. Hustle ko. Dang tum daba like only 5 hours. Aduga thabak suba aduga ise yamna young like successful like millionaire at 40 45 like Forbes below 45
target driven to gumba
like fancy luxury car all and well is quite very good but ultimately if you have to pay the price with your body is it worth it adugi wane ko so example am ha give zero dagi CEO to ko zero dagi like some stock something adugi app ko adugi CEO se ko nitin kamat se mas ko mas stroke to du ne man stroke to ma to mas 44 ko nga sa high give to young 44 ko and mas pasana like very fit gym going everything ko gym ga tatana khotana high workout high intensity workout ko to na masa padana later ne ko then he was not sleeping very well because of stress and everything and he doesn't have time.
I see.
Basically hustle. So adagi mas screen time gumba yamna sizinaba ko because obviously CEO
money thabak to loiba nai daba
so many pressure adu maina tawakana mas stroke tawdune hanging about poti sometimes we need to slow down in life habidi akoina ultimately nang ai paralyzed tawga lairagadi kai kandeno da
thabak to mayam ma tawrag achievement mayam ma phangamaga ju phangaba tungna for example
because rest is important
koi
brains in a command of function to we rest kai gidakar or what is the right side of the brain and what is the left side of the brain aduga khoi generation why we have so much anxiety why we have so much burnout and why we don't find pleasure in anything sigi answer si sidagi loi lak tine ba ko
mane
generation gi especially ko aduna ahoina tumma matam sida ko brain as well as whole body ko yam highly active oibanina ahoina tumma matam sa restore to dine ba and most of our learning also happens when the brain is at rest or sleeping ko aduna khoi brain je ngasai thabak am produce to ba factory amagi magi raw material so am season abanina my byproduct am lai roitra my waste material am lai roitra adumina brain gi su laiba laibase akhoina tumma kanda lokthok remove to dineba remove to gada base akhoina tumdrabanina remove to dreba so protein ko amyloid plaques ka haise protein neba remove to gada ba waste product je to drabanina moina I utong sida deposit of selani ba brain certain areas to ko aduna ultimately khoi kaila ani dementia Alzheimer's ko moina already constant stress lairabanina khoi body is hyperactive mode laira aduna khoi constant stress and anxiety ko moina lairina khoi pothaba ngamaroi pothaba ngamdramina body is constantly in stress ko khoi brain da ngasai amygdala ina khoi emotional center se ko si se khoi stress center sineba or let's say fight and flight mode ko aduna akhoina ma se basically from evolutionary point of view yam primitive of a center neba kai da khoi se danger do sense to ma changdra ne ina danger do gi protect to ge har ga dia aduna yam primitively yam evolutionary point of view da yam important of a structure neba amygdala se so amygdala se kamai to ge hai matam da thaini gi matam da hunter gatherers ki matam da kai amana ise tanaradi or predator amana tanaradi ai je kai du gi chain ba khot pokona da bagi da makta amygdala se na activate to rakanda khoi body the cortisol or stress hormone se release to deni dana ko release to rakanda nangi blood pressure wanklani for that nang energy do blood pressure then nangi heart rate hangalani for the heart to pump more to because your body tissue needs oxygen to tawna ba ana heart to na pump to hena to khalani edu phangna ba ko mai to rakanda akoina kai sagi chain bani khangde khopani si tawdine ba to gan horen nangna escape to horakanda body will wind down aduga sisina sympathetic system akhoi fight and flight mode se ko then akhoi parasympathetic system se amu activate toroga body se magi normal kenos tamu hangi doine ko so akhoi whole universe or whole system world se akhoi pam se kaino homeostasis id balance so but ngasi akhoi na tawise kaino the brain doesn't understand or cannot differentiate between a physical stress and an emotional stress
confused sakre
confused ngasai gi kaina tanarak pada adumaina dum akhoi se akhoi whether yone huji to imam se kaino akhoi you may be let off from your job natra IT crisis story war to equally my am se laibani na constantly constant nangi stress ne wala ise constant adu nangi acting ngasai gi stress system se always activated arna your body is full of always high cortisol cortisol na khani damaging am jo blood pressure wangba sugar laiba diabetes lakpa ko chimbo pot mam se loin thog ani and also because nangi brain sing asai the only fight and flight mode to the leg rabani na khoi brain sina relax or kind of focus to the center ngasai gi brain gi analytical part of the brain like critical thinking part of the brain nangi brain gi adugumba measure planning to ba adugi brain gi part sum season adrabani na adu sum pangjala abni na brain da su picture lakto ne brain su shrink to ne so later it will affect your cognition aduna again akhoi dementia gumba ma'am na ani
aina se hojiga matam da imana bo oiro kana bo oiro han bo oiro ngang bo oiro kaina yam cham ba question ma hangu ba matam da itawi kamai tawri kamai hingi haba matam da first answer si kari oido no ai experience da dum matha sai ko ai anambana adu answer da dum sijin nei respond first respond ne ado maram bo hairu raga di asibudi mayam ma leire na hojik doctor na haiba dawna we are living in a society where everything is so constantly moving aduna khoi gi wakhan je adum matam supada amagi yang adudi amaju pam adudi amaju tawba ngamda
exactly
ado akhoi mara je yam
na world gi akhoi construct of the world say right now ko completely capitalist world ko consumerism it thrives on consumerism so ayuk tagina nungdang tumdribau either you should be producing something or you should be consuming something ko aduna koi kai gino koi no jitoi se hek tum hogala ani you have your phone ko
hek hogala ko
certain anxiety certain situations are there certain stresses are there koi na kai no to bongam daba avoid to bongam daba war like situation whatever ko but adu ngatang forget to grasp every day akoi dum worry khalle bidi nate so what is happening is akoi na tum hogala kanda we have a devices that is intruding our lives ado tum hogala ga scroll to mi se camera 90% yo rangani
chome
atra ado na akoi scroll either you will go to your social media and you will see things that is happening in that maybe no wonder relevant oigira no wonder relevant oirogera adagi nang adum kanong to bodagi nang adum fire up to horani or you'll be seeing someone is achieving this then you'll feel bad about yourself comparison to the horani natra if someone is having a good vacation then you're feeling bad about yourself
megi do ururaga
then not only that algorithm very dangerous na kai no ma pa mani no alaga tak adu thola ani then you will be sucked into that vortex natra na adu gi potu to ungale ni aina fruit ama yengra di dom tholatra adoi taragadi na adu dom changning ani o sale
offer me
so many things that your mind is fluctuating from one point to another then ang sale do mong yengani ko so before you have your first cup of coffee you have made many decisions and we have something called decision fatigue for your brain the decision me am lor ko fatigue la app aduna it will not be able to work properly it will not be focused properly
asagi concentration ki focus ki adugi capabilities to makadum mangla ne
brain is completely done so when you go to work you are half exhausted
productive oiro
hairagadi ado mathasa ko comment to the world is like that mathasa abdu haidi aina kedo ngamge have but aina ngamba potsu ma'am layeba so we need tech free time we need tech free zones so tech free time habidi first hour when you wake up phone se lai hoida yeng hoida ko then first 1 hour last 1 hour before you go to bed phone yeng hoida then because you're constantly stimulating your nervous system and that's not how our nervous system works constant stimulation to go the brain na tebe ma high grade na ko du percussion di ko then your meal times should be without tech koi chan on the phone pa na You're not even having a meaningful conversation with your family. Akhoi humans se kamaina lei hai matamda akhoi social network ama leijadra. Akhoi chamina ba khotmina ba matamda akhoi na share tawrakanda adugi social connection do form tawding. We are social animals. Ado ultimately see man so loina breakdown laktineba. So we need tech free times. Then some tech free zones. Nangi workplace, nangi bedroom, nangi study room, sigum basida technology laitaba ko. Yarigadi remove your phone, keep it somewhere else ko. So koi thaina gi like ama paraga nungdang da tumba alarm clock ma thambado. That is better. 100% ng phone paigano I say it's not right also. Feasible so ide and it's not right ko. Akoi phone paigadi koi technology out do koi dumb oirodro. But somewhere we need to find a balance. Aina karang kanda overdoing tawge have sa. This is also important. Because constantly akoina tawise kaino hai matamda akoina tawise constantly akoina phone gumba yenga scroll gumba sum tawrakanda koi the brain da hormone chemical ma release taweba ko dopamine. So dopamine is our motivation chemical. Dopamine is our reward chemical ko or pleasure chemical. And akoi gi pleasure oiba chemical do sum thadrok tine ko. Dopamine say, for example, there's a button and you are pushing the button all the time. Every time you are scrolling, every time you are checking a post, you are pushing the button. Button se nang namani dana, namagana dopamine se release tawrani dana. So dopamine se release tawrana wana pleasure khara phangani ba. But the problem is, akoina sum hanjan nammi gaina, ma sensitive oiba handhaiye ba.
Okay. That means dopamine depletion
no, dopamine is coming, but you need more dopamine to achieve that same amount of pleasure. Aduna nang more and more dopamine decrease the oniva. So over time, you are not able to find pleasure in anything you do. You need more of that activity to get that same amount of pleasure. Aduna nang focus to bunga maroy nang enjoy to bunga maroy. Because somewhere technologies na advanced or man we are living in a world of instant gratification. Kudak da bamba. And akoina ngairaga phangbagi nungaibado. We have lost that.
Adu laitreba.
Aduna akoina pleasures idum adi this is something like we are thrilling ourselves to death. The more and more power activities so more and more to that is the basis of addiction.
Hojiki doctor na haibada muji matam ja akoina practically to buganda dikhadi wadi warakani maram de hojikandi we are so much into it.
We have two sides of brain ko. So hemisphere ani leida hemisphere tangkai se left or dominant and right ko. Left sina khoigi how gi brain neba how how kamaina to sige how to overcome this, how to achieve this, how to do this, how. Right side is why.
Okay.
Why I want this, why I'm doing this, why I need this. So what we are living today is we are not using our right side of the brain. How say got never going to say. So we are not able to find any meaning in our life. We should listen to our body. We need stillness, we need calmness. So these are very practical things that we can do. 5, 10, 15 minutes in the morning, calm. Nang sor holo, that is the basis of meditation. Sor holo, anchor all your thoughts into that breath. Hadi wakan budi ma'am lakani dana because ako mind gi function is to think natra. And the mind completely stop to budi yaro ko. So let the thoughts flow. Anchor it to your breath. Whenever you feel nang hatang drift over suna na ningjang ko matam come back to your thought and you need that stillness. I feel what do Tamphasana want today? What do I want to do? How am I feeling today? Am I feeling okay?
Question
important but we are completely ignoring this because we don't have time. Completely phone bombard all these ideas. Then I kalamba thought ki trail then we'll jump from one task to another and continue till we die.
I get the relate to the I get the attachment like the I get the bond like the adubu Nasagi hide kind of the metrics to.
So ultimately we don't even know what we are doing.
Why
are
purpose
we doing
like
it? Yes, purposeless. So find purpose we need to spend time with ourselves. Phone the thumb grow. Wake up in the morning. Cortisol is very important for us to wake up.
Exactly.
So morning sunlight 1 hour. First nangi wake up ki 1 hour da. Alga body the sunlight prove is very important.
masima miss tawdaba
even
yari
if
ban
it
kai
is a gloomy day doesn't matter ko aduna akhoi ngasai sunlight focus tawkana khoi body gi cortisol levels se khoi hengala ko is wake ko helak to ne ko then we will be more focused, we will have energy to do things ko adu lorakanda will go about our day, and then ultimately whatever you do in the morning nang ngasai gi some form of activity to do ni ko physical activity body to pump up tawna ba ko doesn't mean you need to have it gym chapa is another topic, we'll come to that at one other time. I'm not against gym. What I'm saying is gym chata dia they have like you move your body, movement is important ko movement tawrani lengani nusada exposed tawrani sunlight da, then hydration. Drink water in the morning. First one, hydration very important. Adu tawrakanda koina awake to koi thabak tawrani. Now you will have to do the reverse 1 hour before bedtime. Aduna turn off all lights, overhead lights, bright lights, bright light, white light to adudi it's tumba do yararoi ba ko sleep to, because nangi cortisol je handagra kanda melatonin se tholak to ne ba from our pineal gland ko melatonin se sleep hormone ne ba melatonin se la kana ko je potha do ne ba afi nangi melatonin se nang adum light nga le ga your brain is confused and it's not able to produce melatonin at the right time and the right amount ko aduna nangi sleep se disturb oirani ba so nang ngasai gi 1 hour before bed sina nang activities lo reverse tau dine ba so mai sin se warm lights tau usually better to use lamps overhead light kim hot like some islands of light to pay ko warm lights kum do less stimulation aduna screen time no screen time screen do off tau screen gi blue light to so very bad again akhoi melatonin to release to hande ba then don't watch anything aggravatory or stimulating ko yam relaxing oba lari kumba ma pa be ai ko taraga khara ma move to ba ideally 20 to 30 minutes at least 5 times a day in a week humang ta han ga da ko humang ta de mu kana de khara humang ta ba like
kitang orga
heart rate hang ga ko that's important see never we are looking for
khoi hakchang da kano fit to ba kano do routine da khoi sana semja ga da bane pa
and just limit your screen time sa high give the tech free time like nang phone ayu ki pung ama pai da ba nung dang ki pung pai da ba chak sam tun da phone pai da ba haisi we can all do it usmaina kharga baby steps
kudak no wada su pai ro haibadi na taba ja subna tagi matam da khoina
for anything
matam da khoina kitang ten than ba ona taga wari ba ayuk tai hawal ga hing si sigi sima practice to ge ha ba minute manga dang oigra minute 3 dang oigra pick na horok pa try to avoid adugi nisha do adugi habit to adum thamba akhoi na tawda psina ta adasi akhoi na hoji ki lifestyle gi matang da wari sa ge akhoi tumbagi sabagi takpagi si matang da su dum wari sari ko hong balang pagi changes la pagi adugi sigi asok pagi na akhoi smartphone gi su wari sari hoji si maru ina tek gi smartphone gi specific la kon da angang masa akhoi na uri si akhoi adal nga ta natte hoji angang pick laba angang bok da akhoi na dum wangang ba hiti ba angang bok da akhoi na hoji kan gi newlywed couples for example moi gi da akhoi na mayam u ba phangi ko moina piri ba smartphone pahili ba smartphone without time limit matam pi da bi da khai da bi da angang jina kitang bira ta ura gadi phone hekta pithopa gumba ka adagi phone du da yawri ba content du karino ka baby rhymes gumba alphabetical kari ko singing gi oiro kari gi oiro aduga thado ga matom da sanar ga experiment tawdu adu su tawandre yum manung da dum phajil ga thambagi type ta mong da tawraga sigi ashok pase kayam ki matik shok ke ha base angang du na am ka hina serious
angang is very damaging kai you know the angang gi di brain se form tawri ba brain if it's a growing brain ko aduna brain gi circuits ma'am la yeba circuits se pra alter tawdi ne ba ko sai for example parental guidance se ko si sina adum aseng bakidi masai gi American Pediatric Association na hai se 3 years below 3 years ki angang se phone supai pa hen ga no ha ba zero ko sumpai pa hen ga no ha ba ko and for me aina as a like aina practice to kuma to ina di id khara chaw ba haning deba kai no the angang gi brain se grow to we ba until and unless there are many reasons why I'm saying aina pa haning de hai se ko there are many reasons angang gi brain se koina wa mangang gi se kamaina affect ong ni have say you never know and first of all ngasai gi nang na phone se pai ba matam da ma gi ngasai gi bright light oi gera moi di angang gi light ko mane am happy do
happy
so that you can attract the that is very stimulatory over stimulatory to the brain cells angang da kari effect like ese sukang khang dibida technology amma unleash tawre ba adugi devastating effects we are seeing now hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯅꯦ ADHD ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ attention deficit problem ꯂꯩꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ behavioral problem ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ first of all ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ neural circuits ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ alter ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ it doesn't matter it can be informative it can be A for apple B for ball amta yade kaigino haida moina seasonariba colors pattern brain develops in different certain ways specific ways pattern recognition for example aina ura kanda aina nangi sakse aina brain sida aina recognize tawni duga aina osi athari ne khangdoina try aina next time ubada this is pattern recognition and maming gumba sina kada ida store tawni different areas
parts like role tonga like
bani sana sina chaw ko matamda tapna magi depending on that introduce tawgadabani bako na khoinaga cone gumba adagi triangle gumba shape torkan angang daga fit to honba sana hanbado ko like pattern recognition and all of that
stage nairaga
nang suddenly adudana angang do so much of information patient taragadi their brains will be overwhelmed their neural circuits are completely wired differently aduna angang brains is shrink tawrani and certain areas of the brain are being used certain areas of the brain are not used ko kharama use tawrani extra kharama use tawrani tawdrabani na tawdabe areas sing to di pichala ani and my brain is further away this is one thing and the angang problem and attention tawbangam da focus tawbangam da ko focus tawbangam do aina haiba gi su ko sida kale ti mi loina khang angang ama focus tawbangam da matam da anxiety id sumaina attention deficit disorder na matam da imung de kyam how much aduna sigi potash da ila ine secondly akoina parental guidance habam su lai ko angang da kari yeng handana the brain's very sensitive you never know what will hit them at what time ko ai incidents ma haira ke bai nang sai su sum beginning da wari live da yaw gibi do ai say maybe less than 5 years oirangani ba aduda ai inau pa se poktree bai inau pa se ina 5 years halle ba ko aduda di ai say less than 5 years ojini sem angang oi hai tare ko ada khoi gi yum da mi ma la e I just remember that ka da ai khoi gi baba na ko uncle ji unau law ko lo ꯀꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ because me and my sister ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ elder sisterꯒ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯔꯥ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯔꯥ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ but that changed the narrative ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯥ ꯂꯩ ꯈꯣꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯟꯇ but I still remember that ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ you never know what will hit it ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ maybe I don't know ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ so you never know
Dr. Tambabu ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯕꯨꯅꯣ ꯀꯣ mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ mental health ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ long term effect ꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
so mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ brainꯁꯤꯅ structureꯅꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ so mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ mindꯒꯤ healthꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ brainꯁꯤꯅ organic ꯑꯣꯏꯅ structure ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ like ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ like we have a structure so that's brain ꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯏ functioning ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ discuss ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ mindꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠꯇꯨꯅꯦꯕ so mind is there is subconscious and something abstract ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯀꯣ but ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯝꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ healthꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ health discuss ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ both mental and physical health ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ physical ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ healthy ꯑꯣꯏꯕ individual ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗ healthy ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ mental ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯥꯎꯕ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ stigmatize ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯔ stigmaꯗꯤꯈꯔ associate ꯇꯧꯋꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ usually mental healthꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯔꯕꯨꯗꯤ awarenessꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ physically ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯅꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ dangerous ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ condition ꯌꯥꯝ critical ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯊꯨꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯕꯤꯛꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯝꯃꯒ ꯐꯕ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ antibioticꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯕ whatever depending on ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯗꯨꯒꯤ conditionꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ mindꯗꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯏꯅꯨꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯩꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ but ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯁꯥꯎ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯇꯨꯝꯃꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯔꯦ next day ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ something ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ affect ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯁꯨ interfere ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ affect ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗ completely ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ mental healthꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ schizophreniaꯒꯨꯝꯕ paranoiaꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ debilitating ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ functioningꯗ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯇꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ mental health ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ mindꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ same like ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ physical health ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯐꯠꯆꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ರೆ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ mindꯁꯤꯁꯨ fully importance ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ mindꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ fully ꯐꯖꯅ healthy ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ mental healthꯁꯦ healthy ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ consequencesꯌꯥꯝ devastating ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ why suicide rates are so much high ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ mental healthꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ any depression any anxiety ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ultimately treat ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯟꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ focus ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ so example ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ UKꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ like I was very anxious ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯉꯝꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯝ ꯈꯟꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩ MBBS ꯇꯧꯔꯦ MD ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ so over ꯑꯩ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ already 10 years ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ UKꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ way of ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ medical systemꯒꯤ way of learning ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯅꯦꯕ UKꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ UKꯁꯤꯅ completely different system and completely different society ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ basic scienceꯇꯣ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯈꯨꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ different ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ society is completely different integrate ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ societyꯗꯤ South Asian societyꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ Asian society usually hierarchical society ꯀꯣ hierarchyꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ like classꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ societyꯅ egalitarian like everyone is equal ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ societyꯗꯁꯨ very societyꯗꯁु difference ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ I need to fit in ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ I need to see how they are doing things ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ anxiety ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ suppose ꯑꯩꯅ patient ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯝꯃꯦꯅ example ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ patient ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯜꯂ ꯂꯩꯕꯀꯣ to some extent it's very good ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ environment ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ uncomfortable feel ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ feel ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯅꯦ we need to get out of our comfort zone ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯧꯕꯗꯣ learn ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ experienceꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ broaden ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯅ over time I will become more confident ꯑꯗꯨꯒ over time ꯑꯩ overcomeꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ confidence ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯈꯤꯀꯣ but ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯅ introspectionꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ crippling ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ something is wrong ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ something is wrong with me ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ UKꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯦꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ mental healthꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ awareness ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ mental healthꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ promote ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ good mental health ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ helpline ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ 24/7 ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ toll free numbers ꯂꯩ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ promptly ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ so ꯑꯩꯒꯤ diagnosisꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ high functioning anxiety ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ functionꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯀꯣ I'll be achieving a lot of things I'll be functioning I'm enjoying my work ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ patient ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤನಿ I was able to form good relations ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ colleague ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ hang outꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯤ but somewhere that anxiety is there ꯑꯗꯨꯅ anxietyꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ self doubt ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗோ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ultimately ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ paralysis by analysis ꯀꯣ instead of introspection and becoming like a better in my job became like ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ crippling ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ 2 weeksꯀꯤ treatment ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ I don't remember exactly 2 weeks or 4 weeks something like that ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ homework ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀோ so ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ treatmentꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ it is cognitive behavioral therapy ꯑꯗꯨꯒ cognitive behavioral therapyꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ other thingꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ apply ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕꯀꯣ any kind of terminal illness ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ cognitive behavioral therapy ꯁꯦ offer ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯕ ꯕꯤꯀꯣꯁ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯣꯒꯅꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯕꯤꯍꯦꯕꯤꯌꯔꯦꯜ ꯊꯦꯔꯥꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯡꯒꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯡꯒꯜꯁꯦ at the top of the triangle will have your thoughts or worries ko aina khalliba wakhan ma'am se ko then your feelings wakhan do khalabani na engonda saungbo oibe ai engonda kizabo oibe ai engonda depression oibe ai engonda anxiety oibe ai ko feelings to then symptoms id symptoms na engonda mi hun chungbo oibe ai engonda kai haini he hainingdabo oibe ai interest loss torokbe ai natra natraga engonda tumba yadabe ai so those symptoms aduna sigi thoughts ne nangi feelings ne nangi symptoms ne ko si triangle se cognitive behavioral therapy si triangle se thukai jene samna haloi jene so that it doesn't go like this ko thugai jene thugai bagi mogi technique ma'am leyeba ko moina adugi moina ma'am homework apira ga homework tawdine ba maina tawrakanda basically aina khala iba wakhan se si se kamaina deal tawdino ultimately like is ai wakhan du dina cha so worry harisne ai worry se ko ai aina khallaga ai ngona nuai triba wakhan se Tise, quite faster, wakan senangi worry say, is it a real worry or a hypothetical worry? A saying problem ra, is it a real problem or I know some sudden, like I know content problem ra. And real or is it something you can do something about it? Abinana problem to solve the ngambra, ngamdragana, ngamdabra. Ngamagana ngambagi strategy laktiba. Ngamdragana yes, ngamdabagi strategy laktiba. The mina aduga kayumba hypothetical or targadi that is not a real worry ko. Aduna aigi brain do train trokteba to like ngasagi adugi worry do loktokinaba ko. Minus the training is important oil. Okay. So many mental conditions like the cognitive behavioral therapy has been proven to be effective. Aduna any aina haining bagi maramdi akoina wakal hairaga wakal laina se only angau kadang nateba. Koi me amna di wakal laina hairdi na ba mental hairgadi ngau ba smaina khallidana. Aduna tana anything that nang wakal no aitragadi wakal laina no aitre. Aduna phatragadi over time sum akoina any akoina tumdana kotana pathadana tawada phatragadi koina yengthoga adusu koina treat tawthokpa yaba cure tawthokpa yaba ko. Adugi su same akoina ahoi physical health priority piba dumaina adugi su importance piga da bane mental health mental well being is a important part of our physical well being kai you know khoi mind do nungai tragadi pothaba do ngamaroi dana tumba do ngamdragadi nang body do recover tawra sai tumbo pagi am nei nagre dana and ultimately loina samna bani na wakhan nungai tragadi haksang ni su pa pharureba aduna sisu akoina awareness ama create to mo changi ba wakal nuai tragadi sigisu right person at the right time right intervention ta hokada bane
hojiki hariba khoi psychiatrist ko adudigi psychologist hai laiba mayam se sising da oi doine ba khoina chakadoi sin natra adai chi manipur da akhoi gi adum ikai ba hangoi ba haigadra asigi ko akhoi mental hairagana khoina tongana lawkiba sense amada chakhiba singbu khal laibu su mali aduna akhoi yari makai uji kita tona haibugum se avoid tawbo phai ase this is not the reality akhoi aseng bade adu natte symptoms laibane maram do akhoi kari gino krai digi laibano adi reality da akhoi aseng bade si tawrijibo si aseng ba kaino ra aina tawrijibo ji kita ta haibugum na adugo oidaba akhoi na wakhan pangsa sajin ba over stress ba akhoi isana akhoi consult tawbi ai imunga nataga masa mak dum sapi ai natra individual ai chang dum salaga wari chabi ai adu I think there is nothing wrong aduna akhoi gi hanagi smadi adu tawre ngawr jala choirab jala khangde adu da adugum du ju akhoi ju akhoi society ma oraga society member ma oraga akhoi du su ngang da su phabani habadi ko mingon da su akhoi na ngangi du su mingon da kamaina shockani ko aduna result oraga maram oraga mi du mapan thokpa phawda tanba ikai ba hangoi ba ki ba ju yauri bane ba natra ngangna bigini habagi
chumme ma tharina haise ko habi koina ngangi ba wa koina tawri ba thaba every actions ko si se magi kaino madi laitra na consequence ma
lai
chumme purpose na ma laitra aduna koina kitang aina ngang thokra kanda sigi kari lakani habse si se kitang khantha ba ko adu khantha da bagine ba problem me am aina ngang thokra kanda problem me am toise ko mana ken khantha na ngangi ba yae ba ko impact to dile howi
lai hawe
aduna adugi poche aina ngang kanda akoi words am powerful
oi
aduna mingo dum gada na hardi angang du pra ma gada oidabadu ma gada hanena khalaga magi mana tawdaba thabaktu ma tawningaktedana ko
chume chume
ram limit hadi akhode ikaiba hangoiba hadi my limitation ko for example I experience aina harna akhoi India dadi akhoi hierarchical system ana akhoi ozana nu chidum torong ozana ti tin
tawe
ja
tawe
na ngoina question ama hangaga su question may be very stupid question ko ado hangaga di gada na hangise ko then next time ai hangingaroi ikarani ba aduna akhoi se yam tang tight way ko
chume chume
hadi akhoi se self confidence wat le hari ma panda ina UK da like tamba chat ma tan sira ko moi pu hangda hangi ba ko question ogira amo ogira ko adu moina takala ite moi dum hangi moi khangning bangai loi hangi ba so that creative masagi thinking that critical analysis part ko
hoi
adu ma broaden ta we ba ko ro ozas na moina hide ne ba ozas ida ko I'm sorry about a stupid question but my question is like that adu ozas na always the answer is there is no stupid question
chume
there are no stupid questions
chume
adugi system da ko adu maina adugi aina difference aduna moida habidi moina kra kaino oidina ko then open or moi confidence so they are very confident
chume
because of that hari difference tu ani da ko akoi gi system gi so afaba mayam lei ko both good and bad are there but these are some things that in my experience aina learn taro ko
aina sida kaino tawing se just quick round question ni doctor ne true false chumi lali adu dum khumbiyo ka now anba question che stroke only happens to old people hai bani stroke se akhoi ahal man da ngata thokpa kaino ne hai ba se chumra la
so that's a myth
headache are always harmless
false.
Stress cannot cause physical illness
false
sleeping late does not affect health
big false
okay final oina khoi gi audience mayam da experience mayam du dagi as a human being tamja hoba ma kawba ngam da ba moral lesson gumba haigadra or it may be anything related to your profession honest message kari oigada bro
khuziki matamda khoi se information se yamna phangi ko
phang
we have a lot of information hadi from anywhere ko this information gi matam ne ko
chome
aduna akhoi information se phangni har kanda blindly believe tawraga ko especially segmakidi it pertains to all fields in life ko every aspect of life ki every adi makan magi sentungi oigera ani health khatangi na tabdasu effect puri tawi ko but akoina health ki oina ngasi talk se tawni na health ki matang da haijage ba habadi information je koina kaino ma phange haraga information si the blindly follow tawi da and akoi health have some important oiba pot na trane khwai gi maru oiba part ne ba koi gi life ki ai gi health se phatraga di haksang se phatraga di ai punsi se kaida nuai dino na tra aduna akoi da so hangi ko and I encourage that I want a question am hangba patient se ai dum encourage tawe kai gino da I believe any decision sa akoina decision making taw sa patient ga yaw ga taw gadam ne collective decision making oi gadam ne ba patient yaw du bida aina khatang decision lo se it's not the right way ko and patient na na chai bi tak se kai gino ke da gi chari no sigi effects na kai ogini sigi side effect na kai ogini have say usually I high so high adu mo na ngoda hangak padasu I like it ko I encourage taweba that aina habidi akoina kida ama chaw habidi dum hangak yawi dana ko adu maina any information phangba sa sigi source se kayam na chumge se verify to biyo
hanba makta
yes ko hanba makta hida ama mi men chanare haina ko adagi sometimes smile to busum am yawe ko khangdu bi dum jasan ko adagi potse kaino keng hangda whatever you call jari buti ngasai ayurvedic sida bagi wa nate ayurveda is a science but verify to biyo ba
okay
nangna chatliba mi do certified oirabra they are proper oibra source se kaino hidak sigi source se kai degila ino I can also pick some weed from my yard and put it in a jar and sell you dugu manataba ko kai you know have the sigum bas akoi thengnei ba hadi harmful oiba pot mam char kana hadi ai gi medical condition do adu do khanga kana hidak to chagadam ni dana ko adu maina chasala kana ko na kidney gumba da mam tainer ga lak ko liver gumba so ga lak ko sigum bas leitaba nate mai to budagi dialysis ka tawna ba mam leine aduna anything aina ai gi haksang da tawdriba pot to di information do phagana verify tawbiraga tawbiba
okay
aduga phagana seasonable ko aduga another thing amana BP lay high sine ko or sugar lay high sine adu already ai gi friend for example Athary says sugar lay ma si hidak se chalen ai su sugar wa ma hidak to cha sal lay not the right thing. Kaino da akhoi gi body sin loi different oidena ko. Plus I may be having some other condition. Atopa condition su myam leiram be ai atopa hidak su charam be ai gi body to hidak to phajana ai harmful oiram be ai dena. So I want to debunk misinformation and myths ko. Verified oidaba kayam chumino lalino khangdaba potudi tobidaba ko. Question hangbiyo thijanbiyo adugi matung ina khoina treatment natraga action do chathabiyo ko.
Khangaba matungda si chume si ne doctor na smaina hai si kano ne haibu verify tawrba matungda doctor gi profession che yamna su interesting way ngasai gi hawbudi wari chana hoji pau sara ku jadum tamja honge mayam amazu akoina khangdaba mayam amazu myth mayam amazu clarify tawbire tamja hore now kanagumbi angang kharana doctor na chaliba ko sigi field da science gi field as a neurologist aiju kano tawningi tamningi ko yam interesting oy yam thrilling jo oy habugumba yawbuju leramgani mukoi singbu karamba message thambiningi
aina sa high give do anything as a person akoi core values khar leidana ko aina tawdi ba thabuk adu align to bom change ba ko adu align to rogadi nang na tawi ba thabuk to nang enjoy shi tawgani mai su pa kani ba ko adu ba khoina doctor ama oigi high tardy for that matter ko especially neurology gumba field di ko you have to be a good listener.
Okay.
Dismissive or nattaba. And you have to throw your whatever like the nako ego or out of the window. Then kayino haida ai gidi akoi gidi neurology gidi chatpa ngamdawa patient su lakpa yam suffer to bulak sometimes very vague symptoms lakpa sometimes little different kayino the brain gi oina di akoina brain do brain is little different akoina biomarker gumba su test ama taroga ekta khangdaba test su am layeba ko aduna sometimes we need a lot of patience. There may be times when aina to ji tumina la treatment je kayino la khangdaba ko kayino neurology gi diagnosis is always possible, probable, definite oidineba. Definite diagnosis usually it needs a brain biopsy tissue diagnosis ko and akoina definite diagnosis have like teba aduna sometimes you may be feeling kay haini isada su self doubt kumba cham ain to si chumbra lan bra khorba ko so siuma mem lakani la aga su like aigi tawi ba field da fazana aina tawi ba post kai no na fazana khanga ga chatpa lifelong learning adum na si tawbre ha ga loi badi oide na ko adum lifelong learning da kar oi but first of all you have to be a very good listener and you have to be an empath adi migi suffering do kan feel to bo change ba then you will be a good doctor for that matter.
After all akhoi miyoba ngata na tra so empathy sympathy the give and take ni akhoi amana piragana khona lowa akhoi na piragana moina lowa adu simuji lai
di ko nang tamak to ni chahi do mayam tamak to ni adum hairakani ba ko lai ta ba mina di doctor di oi dana ko so CDI na hydra su tari pa ba khotpa adum learn to by si lai rabne ba ko but masai gi poto ko patience kitang akhang kan ba taba kan ba minangang to ko then I gi job them enjoy to ba amachang ne ba because it's very testing at times
and also it is very challenging yam nungare Dr. Tamphasana thank you so much ngasi conversation shi yam nungai I will repeat once again khangdaba mayam amasu khanghawe ka tamawe and then I believe the same ai audience sing yengbiriba ngasi gi episode pu yengbiriba mo mayam so dum khangdaba moina khangning ba khaju dum khanghaw ji yarongani in case if you don't know adu so dum comment dum habiramo adu gi so dum answer do koi kana tawga pi bangam na ba hona jage and Dr. Tamphasana gi thabak si yam chilamgani ko I know Dr. kano ka de thok su ani da churini ko matam khaira ga tawrini adu aina kanaju nate ichegumna aina or as a colleague gumna or as a professional aina yamna kano tawga simple way da aina approach tawba matamda Dr. Tamphasana na so am harana nuai respond tawi ba immediately khudak ta go ai dumakti yamna adu penjabana have tare ko very professional a very calm down to earth person you are yam nuai aduga asina jo roibo hendabida mathangda lakadoriba keno do jo khoi dum akuppa marol oiba topic any discussion tawning player ga ju adum akhoi phamina nga hona je natra
comments da ira ga di ko topic ta pa ma ga di ko da mu kupna nei na bai dana
yes fazana specific topic amada ko adu ji ai adana isagi clinic tawriba adu ju amuka hena adudigi hena upgrade tawba ngamba oisunu
Thank you.
aduga kana gumba akoigi patient haigadra ko imung manunggi ana yauba wasigi matang akuba maro khangning bare gatum kamenda dum haibiramo. We'll try our best to get in touch with Dr. Tamphasana as well in the meantime. Aduna thank you so much, Dr. Tamphasana, for joining me once again.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. Yam nungayo conversation sa. Like we covered most aspects. As a person, like just like a friend, conversation. So I really appreciate it, and I hope I believe that your channel will grow.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This was Athary Podcast. Thank you for joining us once again.